Ooh, Locksmith in Pompano Beach, FL offers professional locksmith services for the businesses and residences of one of the top real estate markets, featured in top financial publications such as Money and the Wall Street Journal. We are well established in the community and receive numerous accolades from our customers. All our technicians are knowledgeable in the latest high-tech lock and key security technologies. Our customers demand the very best, and if we had not been up to the challenge, we would have been out of business a long time ago. Instead, our customers have grown, and business has grown, and the referrals from our customers have been keeping us very busy for over 10 years. Ooh, so call Pompano Beach Locksmith 786-319-4591.